For most people, kitchens can be a really overwhelming space where so many things accumulate, so many appliances, utensils, pots and pans, and it can be really hard to keep it streamlined and easy to clean and easy to manage. So here are my tips to create a minimalist kitchen. Hello, my name is Rachel. I do videos about decluttering, minimalism and my no spend year, and today we're going to talk about how we can get a minimalist style kitchen without very much effort, maybe a little bit of effort, a little bit of decluttering to help you create that aesthetic that you're looking for. Because kitchens sometimes are very small. If you live in the UK, then you'll know that most new builds build a very small kitchen and they are stuffed to the brim of different utensils, saucepans, cooking items, baking trays, cups and saucers, plates and bowls, cupboards stuffed with food, and it can be really hard to feel calm and it can often demotivate you from cooking. So let's think about how we can create a minimalist style kitchen in some easy steps. The first step is to try and clear everything off of the counter as much as possible. Only keep really essential items that you use on a daily basis on the surface. This is going to cut down any of the extra appliances that are out but not really being used, and find a way of storing them in a different place within your kitchen. This is going to make it easier to clean the surfaces and to wipe things down on a regular basis. Tip number 2 is to avoid single-use gadgets. Try and get into the habit of buying items that are multi-purpose so that you know that you're going to get more of a use out of it, or an item that you know that you're going to use on a daily basis. See if you have any single-use gadgets that you don't really use that often that you could donate or sell. Tip number 3 is to remove cookbooks from the kitchen. Lots of recipes can be downloaded online or they can be accessed online, and often we don't really need to keep the books. Be realistic about any cookbooks that you do keep. Are they ones that you are going to use on a regular basis? And could you find a way of storing these within the cupboards so that they are not on display? Because often that can clutter up the countertops or the shelves where you are trying to put things that are a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Tip number 4 is to get rid of any excess dinnerware, mugs, beakers, cups, glasses, wine glasses. Reduce down the amount that you have. Only keep what you are likely to use on a regular basis or for entertaining, but no more. So don't have a whole cupboard full of mugs when there's only 2 of you in the house, or maximum only 6 people in the house if there was an occasion. Reduce down so that you've only got what you actually need. They're really easy to clean on a regular basis, so you don't need to have a stockpile of lots of these items. And it can take up a lot of space within your kitchen, so reduce down as much as you can so that you've just got the essentials. And the same goes for tip number 5. Reduce down any excess saucepans or baking trays so that you've only got what you know that you're going to use on a regular basis. Do you need to have a muffin tray if you don't bake muffins regularly? Do you just need to keep the basic plain small tray that can do all your daily cooking on? Think about which items you use and which items you don't, and remove those from your home. And tip number 6 is to regularly use up food in the cupboards. Regularly go through, check what you have, use items up so that you're not losing any food because they expire. Make sure that you are clearing through so that you are not stockpiling as well of certain items or overbuying. Use up what you have so that you're regularly going through things and clearing out the cupboards on a regular basis by doing that. So those are my tips for a minimalist aesthetic kitchen, by removing items that are unnecessary, clearing the surfaces so that you have a really streamlined and simple kitchen so that it's easy to keep tidy and clean. I shall be back for more videos on decluttering, minimalism and my no spend year. I shall see you soon. Take care. Bye.